Hello and welcome to India Today. I am Sanjay Ponnappa.
And this is Maruti Acharya, and today we are here at Sandhya Theatre, Bengaluru to watch War 2 trailer on big screen.
Yes.
The reaction of the video where we are reacting to the trailer from the theatre is on our other channel, which is India Today So South. The link will be provided in the description. The original trailer is on YRF page. Go check it out. Stay tuned for our discussion. Before that, few glimpses of how the reaction was, how the celebration was inside the theatre.
Check it out. This is war. As a Ritik fan,
Are you processing?
I am glitching. I am hyped, so stoked. Uh,
I am scared of the reactions of the trailer. That I genuinely tell you because I really like the trailer. It is intense. It is story. It is not catering to the elevations because after the reception for teaser, I thought they will work more on the elevation part of it, but I think YRF is sticking to its ground of telling the story, keeping the real hype, real expectations, and setting the expectations right. So War 2 teaser also to a large extent, other than the visuals, it worked for me. Now the trailer also really worked for me because it is. I am genuinely excited more than the visuals, more than anything. The face off, the stakes, what it takes, all of those questions are definitely running in my mind. So that is how interestingly they've cut the trailer, which is why I really like the trailer, is what I would say.
I absolutely love the trailer. See, personally, I am a fan of Hrithik Roshan, and to all Hrithik Roshan fans, it is a very known thing that we don't really get a lot of him.
Yeah.
So when we get him, we kind of try to cherish all the moments.
Yeah.
So this is what is happening, and right now, even after War 2, if it is Krish 4, which is his next film, at it, the film, like you mentioned, I really enjoyed the fact that it was not just about the mass elements, it was not just about the two heroes just going all out. It was more about the story that is going to be spoken about in
Exactly.
the film. It is more about what is happening with Kabir and what is happening with NTR's character.
Yeah.
Vikram is what I'm guessing.
Yeah.
So what is going to happen between the two is the core element of the film, and I think that is the correction and the new trend we are moving forward towards. It is not about the star vehicle anymore. It is not
Exactly.
about that. It is about the story that is being
Yeah.
presented, and that I think is the biggest plus mark of this trailer. The music was another highlight for me. Even the Kabir entry is basically literally my ringtone, and to listen to it once again and the war theme, it just reamped, but still it gives you that feeling of wow, okay, what is that moment going to be like in
Correct.
the first film where Hrithik gets off the helicopter and walks while the India flag is in the background,
Yeah.
which later it became a trend of sorts. So many
Agreed.
films try to recreate the moment. So what is that scene going to be is another thing that I'm really excited for.
Yeah, definitely. Again, looks, Hrithik Roshan looks are really, really good. From the teaser itself, people are talking about it, but we are actually, there is some amount of negativity. How much of it is genuine is something that even I genuinely have thoughts about. I don't think a lot of that negativity which we see on social media is genuine, but still, with the trailer also, if people have complaints, then again, it is evident and understood what is happening and why is happening. I personally feel with the trailer, all the fans should definitely be satisfied because it has all the elements, the looks, the styling, and there's this one shot where that itself is like one paisa vasool shot where you should be excited and go, and the face off looks really, really interesting. So all of that is really exciting me. Now let's get to the part thing that I'm a little scared about. The CG is still something that I'm really scared about. We watched it on big screen, yes. Some places where there are muzzle flashes, fire, the close cuts of CG, again, it can be better is something that I would say.
Honestly speaking, I really didn't pay attention to any of that because there was so much happening on the screen. Even for the trailer, I was like, I didn't really pay attention. It didn't really distract me from what was going on the screen. So that opinion is also outside. Really felt like it was much better than what the teaser was. Teaser for sure. I also
they have
acknowledge when the
enhanced it.
teaser came out, it was not good visual effects, but I felt like, okay, this one is really good. I felt like they've worked really hard. Yeah, it wasn't really a distraction for me. I was enjoying whatever was happening on the screen. Another big thing for me is who is going to be the negative in this film. we had the moment in the first part where Ritik is shown as the negative, but then Tiger Shroff ends up being the negative. So in this film, who is going to be the negative? Because both are kind of right in their way from the setup we got.
Yeah, I think I want it to be that way. Instead of making someone negative because there should be a villain, I think internally a lot of things happen, right? In general, it is very natural that, fights or, agents going rogue.
But there's always an instigation and an instigator. Will our Kiara Advani be that? Because she is also an officer. She is not just a love interest like Vani Kapoor was, or just a honey trap or something like that.
Wild
So,
theories flung around. Let's
while
see.
while we are at it, congratulations on your baby.
Yes, congratulations. So
But are you the big bad baddie?
let's see. We will know that on August 14th. Premiere show, early show, whatever show possible, the most earliest show, we will watch it. We'll get public reaction, reviews, and all of that to you as early as possible. Do not miss any of that. Do like, share, and subscribe. Before leaving, please do let us know what is your review of the trailer War 2. If you watched it, how excited are you? Please mention that in the comments below.
Yes. With that, I am Sanjay Ponnappa.
And this is Maruti Acharya.
And you're watching India Today.